Good morning! The start of a new day is brimming with possibilities, and it all begins with you. Today, let's talk about why your morning skincare routine matters so much. It's more than just a superficial activity, it's a vital part of your overall well-being. It's a simple act of self-care that sets a positive tone for your entire day, influencing your mood and confidence. Taking those few moments for yourself can make a world of difference. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it works tirelessly to protect you. Every day, your skin faces sun, wind, which can strip away essential moisture and pollution every day, all of which can accelerate aging and damage your skin's natural barrier. A morning routine creates a protective barrier, acting as a shield against these daily aggressors. This barrier helps to keep moisture locked in, preventing dryness, and keeps harmful elements out, reducing the risk of irritation and breakouts. Think of it as watering a plant. Just like a plant needs water to thrive, your skin needs that daily attention to stay healthy and radiant. It's about nurturing and nourishing your skin. Just a few minutes each morning dedicated to your skin can make a big difference, not just today, but now and for years to come, helping you maintain a youthful and healthy complexion. When your skin feels good, you feel good. It boosts your confidence and allows your inner beauty to shine. With consistent care, sometimes you'll even skip makeup, feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. The habits you build now, the routines you establish, will protect your skin for life, ensuring its health and vitality. It's always easier to prevent problems like wrinkles, sun damage, and dryness than it is to fix them later on. Consider this an investment in your future self, a gift you give yourself every single day. So let's learn how to create a routine, a simple yet effective routine together, tailored to your skin's unique needs. Your skin deserves love and protection every day, and with the right routine, you can provide just that. Ready to start your journey to healthy, glowing skin that radiates from within? Let's dive in and make your mornings beautiful, one step at a time. Remember, it's not about perfection or spending hours in front of the mirror. It's about consistency and making skincare a sustainable part of your daily life. A little effort each day, consistently applied, leads to lasting results and a lifetime of healthy, happy skin. Let's get started on creating your perfect morning skincare ritual. You might wonder, if I wash my face thoroughly at night, removing all traces of makeup and impurities, why do it again in the morning? It's a valid question, and the answer lies in understanding the different needs of your skin throughout the day and night. Your morning and night routines have different goals, each designed to address specific concerns and optimize your skin's health. Nighttime is for repair. It's the time to focus on removing makeup, dirt, oil, and using targeted treatments that work while you sleep. Morning is all about protection. It's about preparing your skin for the day ahead, shielding it from sun, pollution, and the daily stresses it will encounter. At night, you might use heavier creams, richer in texture and designed to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin as you rest, or strong ingredients like retinol, which promotes cell turnover and collagen production, working to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These can make your skin sensitive to sunlight, increasing the risk of sunburn and sun damage. So they're best used before bed, allowing them to work their magic overnight without the risk of sun exposure. In the morning, stick to lighter products, formulations that absorb quickly and won't leave your skin feeling greasy or heavy. That feel comfortable all day, providing hydration without interfering with makeup application or causing shine. The most important morning step? Sunscreen. Sunscreen is your main defense, the cornerstone of any effective anti-aging and skin health strategy. Against aging and damage caused by harmful UV rays, which are responsible for a significant portion of premature aging. Think of your night routine as tucking your skin in, providing it with the nourishment and care it needs to repair and regenerate overnight. And your morning routine as giving it armor for the day, preparing it to face the environmental aggressors and challenges it will encounter. Both routines are essential. They work together synergistically to keep your skin healthy, balanced, and radiant. One repairs, the other protects, creating a comprehensive approach to skincare. Understanding this helps you choose the right products, ensuring that you're using the most effective ingredients and formulations for your skin's specific needs at different times of the day. For each time of day, maximizing their benefits and minimizing potential side effects. Don't skip either routine. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving and maintaining healthy, beautiful skin. Your skin needs both. With the right habits, consistently practiced, you'll keep your skin happy, healthy, and youthful for years to come. Let's see how to build the perfect morning routine step by step to ensure your skin is protected and ready to face the day. Ready for the first step? As the sun peeks through your window, it's time to greet the day and awaken your skin. The first step in your morning routine is crucial for a fresh start. It's cleansing. This simple act sets the stage for a day of radiance and protection. Even after washing at night, while you are resting and dreaming, your skin diligently works, producing oils and shedding cells while you sleep. This is a natural process of renewal and repair. A gentle cleanse in the morning removes overnight buildup, sweeping away those dead skin cells and excess oils. This cleanse preps your skin for the day, creating a clean canvas for the products that follow and allowing them to work their magic. Choose a mild, hydrating cleanser, one that respects your skin's delicate balance. When selecting a cleanser, look for gentle or hydrating on the label. These terms indicate a formula designed to nourish and protect. Avoid harsh cleansers, the kind that promise a squeaky clean feel. These can strip your skin's natural barrier, leading to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. Use lukewarm water, not hot, as you begin your cleansing ritual. Hot water can be too harsh and can further dry out your skin, disrupting its natural moisture balance. Wet your face gently, preparing it for the cleansing embrace. Lather a small amount of cleanser in your hands, creating a soft, gentle foam, and massage gently in circles, allowing the cleanser to lift away impurities. Rinse thoroughly, ensuring all traces of cleanser are washed away. Pat dry with a soft towel, never rub, as this can cause irritation and redness. This step gently wakes up your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized, and ensures other products absorb well, allowing them to penetrate deeply and deliver their beneficial ingredients. Be gentle. Your skin is delicate and deserves tender care. Your skin needs kindness, not scrubbing, to maintain its health and radiance. Cleansing should leave your skin feeling balanced and comfortable. Feeling fresh, not tight, is the goal, a sign that you've cleansed effectively without stripping away essential moisture. If you're short on time, don't skip this step. A quick, gentle wash is enough to refresh your skin and prepare it for the day ahead. Consistency is key. The more consistent you are, the better your skin will look and feel. Make this a daily habit, a non-negotiable part of your morning ritual. Clean skin is the foundation upon which you build your entire skincare routine. It's the essential first step for everything that follows, ensuring optimal absorption and effectiveness. Now your skin is ready, prepped, and primed for the next step in your routine. Let's move on to toning, a step that will further balance and refine your complexion. Ready to continue on this journey to radiant, healthy skin? After cleansing, it's time to tone. Toner balances your skin's pH and removes any leftover residue. Modern toners are gentle and hydrating, no more harsh, alcohol-heavy formulas. Choose a toner that suits your skin, hydrating for dry skin, clarifying for oily skin. Apply with a cotton pad or press into your skin with your hands. This quick step preps your skin for moisturizer and boosts absorption. If you have sensitive skin, look for alcohol-free, soothing ingredients. Toner leaves your skin refreshed and ready for hydration. It's a small step with big benefits. Don't skip it, your skin will thank you. Let the toner absorb before moving on. Now your skin is balanced and prepped. Next up, moisturizing. Let's keep going. Moisturizing is essential for every skin type. Yes, even oily skin. Moisturizer hydrates and locks in moisture, keeping your skin soft and protected. For oily skin, choose a lightweight, oil-free gel or lotion. For dry skin, go for a richer cream with ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid. Normal or combination skin? A classic lotion works well. Apply a small amount to your face and neck using upward strokes. Don't forget behind your ears and your neck. These areas age too. Moisturizer helps balance oil production and prevents dryness. It also creates a smooth base for sunscreen and makeup. Let it absorb for a minute before the next step. Consistent moisturizing keeps your skin healthy and glowing. You don't need a lot, just enough to feel comfortable. Make this step a relaxing moment in your routine. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Ready for the final, most important step? Let's protect your skin. On to sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most important step in your morning routine. It protects against sunburn, aging, and dark spots, and even skin cancer. Use sunscreen every day, rain or shine, indoors or out. Look for broad spectrum on the label to guard against UVA and UVB rays. Choose SPF 30 or higher for daily use. Mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide and titanium dioxide are great for sensitive skin. Chemical sunscreens are lightweight and often invisible. Pick what feels best for you. Apply a generous amount, about a nickel-sized dollop for your face and neck. Don't forget your ears, eyelids, and the back of your neck. Let it absorb before applying makeup. Sunscreen is your best anti-aging product. Make it non-negotiable. Reapply if you'll be outside for long periods. Daily use protects your skin for years to come. Make sunscreen a habit, not an afterthought. Your future self will thank you. With this step, your morning routine is complete. Let's talk about customizing for your skin type. Everyone's skin is different. Find what works for you. To identify your skin type, wash your face, wait an hour, and observe. Dry skin feels tight or flaky. Focus on hydration and rich creams. Oily skin looks shiny. Use lightweight, oil-free products and gentle cleansers. Combination skin is oily in the T-zone and dry on the cheeks. Balance with targeted products. Sensitive skin gets red or irritated easily. Choose fragrance-free, simple formulas. Mineral sunscreens are often best for sensitive types. Don't skip moisturizer even if you're oily. Adjust your routine as your skin changes with seasons or age. Listen to your skin. It tells you what it needs. The right products make all the difference. Keep it simple and consistent. Now, let's see how to keep up your routine on busy days. Busy mornings? You can still care for your skin in just a few minutes. Focus on the essentials. Cleanse, moisturize, and sunscreen. You can do all 3 steps in under 2 minutes. Use multitasking products like moisturizers with SPF to save time. Tinted sunscreens offer sun protection and light coverage in one step. Keep your products together for easy access. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even a quick routine is better than skipping altogether. Prepare your products the night before for a smoother morning. Make skincare a non-negotiable part of your day. These small moments of self-care add up. You'll feel more confident and ready to face the day. Remember, it's about making time for yourself. A little effort goes a long way. Let's wrap up with a final thought. Your morning skincare routine is a promise to your future self. Small, daily actions today lead to healthy, glowing skin for years to come. Don't stress about perfection, just be consistent. Make your routine enjoyable, play music, take a deep breath, and savor the moment. Soon, it'll be second nature, like brushing your teeth. You don't need expensive products or a 10-step routine. A few good products and daily care are enough. Be patient, results take time, but they're worth it. Your skin will thank you with a natural, healthy glow. Start tomorrow, make that promise to yourself. You deserve this care and attention. Confidence starts with self-love. Your future self will be grateful you started today.